We built our hypothesis on how fixed assets will develop over time using CapEx as the main driver. However, it is very difficult to say whether the numbers we considered are reasonable. In addition, it is hard to find information about the amount of capital expenditure spent by comparable companies. But we need to find a way to perform a sanity check somehow. So, let's figure out how to do that. What I would suggest in this case is to calculate D&A as a percentage of revenues and D&A as a percentage of beginning PP&E. Then it would be a bit easier to compare these figures with the ones of comparable companies, as D&A is easier to find in financial statements. It is also easier to calculate D&A as a percentage of revenue and beginning PP&E. This is what we've done here. Okay, please go ahead and take a look at these figures and try to decide whether the CapEx percentages we have assumed yield a reasonable D&A incidence. If you think some adjustments are necessary, I will be happy to hear you out in the course Q&A. In addition, chances are that a good explanation will earn you a gift, too.